Okay, Travessa dos Mercadores. So we are going to film this right here. It's a bunch of motorcycles because they're going to do a run today, so we're going to capture some of that. Go check out the run. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so it's kind of a little alley. Got some motorcycles here. We got them all the way down. Harley Davidson, Harley Davidson, Harley Davidson. So we're just gonna capture some of these. Kind of cool. So I guess they're taking a ride today. I heard at 1 o'clock. So everybody's got their Harley Davidsons already. Can't miss these. And that's a cool one right there. I like that one. Amazing. More coming. Park Coffee, got a coffee shop at the end. So this is our street, but we're also going to capture the Harley Davidson as well. So yeah, so whole street today with Harley Davidson and Travessa dos Mercadores. So that's our street right there today. Then we got more. So I believe this is kind of the center of everything that's happening today. It's pretty cool. So okay, maybe we'll go a little bit further. So there's a Harley Davidson stand right there. Got some tacos, Thai food, roti, all kinds of cool stuff. We'll end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.